Black Shark, the Xiaomi-backed gaming smartphone maker, is gearing up to launch its next-generation smartphone on 23 March. The company shared a poster on its official Weibo account, which shows Peng Yucheng holding the upcoming Black Shark 4 gaming smartphone. This also reveals the design of the device. The company is expected to launch smartphones, Black Shark 4 and Black Shark 4 Pro. Both of them are expected to feature a 6.67-inch Samsung E4 AMOLED display. The Pro model will have 144 Hz refresh rate and 720 Hz touch sampling rate, whereas the base model will support 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen packs a centered punch hole cutout. This approach is in contrast with all previous Black Shark phones, which foregoed cutouts and instead relied on slightly thicker bezels. Going around the right-hand side, we can spot the mechanical shoulder trigger buttons, which were also present on the Black Shark 3 Pro, as well as fingerprint scanner in the middle. The standard model is expected to have Full HD Plus screen resolution, while the Pro model is likely to support Quad HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the vanilla model is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, while the Pro variant will be packed with the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset. The top-end model in the lineup could pack a massive 18 GB of RAM, as both of its competitors ROG 5 and Nubia Red Magic 6. Further, the upcoming Xiaomi Black Shark 4 Pro will have a triple camera, just like its predecessor. The information comes from a camera sample shared on Weibo by Black Shark. In the camera department, the primary sensor in the Pro variant could be 108 megapixel, while that of the standard model could be 48 megapixel. The devices are expected to run the Android 11 operating system out of the box and powered by a 4500 mAh power battery, alongside 120-watt fast charging, which is expected to charge the phone from 0% to 100% in just 15 minutes. Apart from this, it comes with a case and optional fan cooling accessory, which has its own LED temperature display. We can also see the device running PUBG on a gameplay test, and it seems to be doing fine on maxed out settings with higher refresh rate. So yeah, the Black Shark 4 is gearing up to be a fine gaming phone. We will have to wait and see what it actually brings in its official launch on March 23. Until then, see you guys later.